Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this session, we will start talking about Harold Pinter and his work. Here we design a three-part for you. First, in the first part, we set a questions analysis part, and the second, set a revision of questions. And at the end of the session, we will start a quiz. So now, let's start Harold Pinter's work. This is the Harold Pinter. And this first question, where in London was Pinter born? Hackney, Elephant Castle, Knightsbridge. So Harold Pinter born in the Hackney. Main point related Harold Pinter. Harold Pinter born in the 10th October 1930 in Hackney, London, and the died 24th December 2008 in Acton, London. So died due to the liver cancer at the age of 78. Nationality British, and occupation playwright, screenwriter, actor, theatre director, and the poet also. Belong to the period 1947 2008. Mostly this period comes in the modern period. Spouse Vivian Merchant and another Lady Antonia Fraser. Notable awards: David Cohen Prize 1995, Laurence Olivier Award 1996, Companion of Honor 2002, Nobel Prize in Literature 2005, and Legion d'Honneur 2007. And next notable work: The Birthday Party 1957, Rome 1957 also, The Caretaker 1959, Servant 1963, The Homecoming 1964, Tea Party also comes in 1964, No Man's Land 1975, Betrayal 1978, One for the Road 1984, The Trial 1993, and Salute 2007. So coined term Theatre of the Absurd by the Martin Aslin, The Comedy of Menace by the Irving Wardle, first time coined by the David Campton this term. He has written around the 29 plays and 15 dramatic sketches also. Second question, Pinter's first produced effort as a playwright was entitled The Room, Dumb Waiter, A Slight Age. Correct answer is The Room. About The Room. The Room's first play of Harold Pinter, published during 1957. Main characters: Berthold Rose, Mr. Kit, Mr. Sands, Mrs. Sands, Riley. Belong to the genre tragicomedy and comedy of menace. Setting of the play: a room in a large house. Next question, in which one of the following films did Pinter appear as an actor? Sense and Sensibility, Mansfield Park, Pride and Prejudice. So correct answer is Mansfield Park. About the Mansfield Park is a 1999 British romantic comedy drama film based on Jane Austen's 1840 novel of the same name. Pinter played Sir Thomas Battering, who was in slave trading business, an owner of the estate called Mansfield Park. Next, which play do we find the protagonist awakening from a 29-year sleeping sickness? Family Voices, A Kind of Alaska, Victoria Station. Correct answer, A Kind of Alaska. About Kind of Alaska is a one-act play written in 1982 by British playwright Harold Pinter. Deborah is the main character, a middle-aged woman who has been in the comatose. Comatose is a coma, stage of coma. 29 years as a result of sleeping sickness. Awakes with the mind still that of 16 years old. Next, in The Caretaker, Who is asked to be a caretaker? Esther, Mick, Davies. Correct answer, Davies. The Caretaker 3 Acts play. It's a sixth play of Harold Pinter, published during the 1960s. The main characters: Mick, a man in his late 20s, Aston, a man in his early 30s, Davies, an old man. So three main characters in The Caretaker plays belong to the genre tragicomedy. Setting of the play: a house in West London in the season of winter. Compare this play with Waiting for Godot, written by Samuel Beckett. This scene taken from Act 1 and Scene 1. Aston has invited Davies, a homeless man from Sidcup, into his flat after rescuing him from a bar fight. Aston offers Davies the job of caretaker. Next, in which of the following texts do Aston, Davies, and Mick appears as characters? Graham Greene's Brighton Rock, Harold Pinter's Caretaker, Catherine Mansfield's Life of Ma Parker. So correct answer, Harold Pinter's Caretaker. In the birthday party, what is Mac's birthday present to Stanley? A tin soldier, a toy drum, a red vehicle. Correct answer is a toy drum. About the birthday party. Birthday party is main play. It's a second play and full-length play published during 1957 in London. So main characters: Peter Bowles, a man in 60s, Meg Bowles, a woman in her 60s, Stanley Weber, piano player, a man in late 30s, Lulu, a girl in her early 20s, Goldberg, a man in 50s, McCann, a man of 30s. Genre: theatre of absurd, comedy of menace. Setting of the play: English boarding house on an unnamed coast in the 1950s. Some key points related: birthday party. Birthday Party, Harold Pinter's second play. It's a full-length play published during 1957 in London. Main characters: Peter Bowles, in man 60s, Meg Bowles, a woman in her 60s, Stanley Weber, a man in late 30s, Lulu, a girl in her early 20s, Goldberg, a man in 50s, McCann, a man of 30. Belong to genre theatre of absurd and comedy of menace. Setting of the play: English boarding house on an unnamed coast in 1950s. Next, Harold Pinter is heavily influenced by which Irish playwright? Zeno Casey, James Joyce, Samuel Beckett. So correct answer is Samuel Beckett. Main point: Samuel Barclay Beckett. It's a full name of Samuel Beckett. 1906 to 1989 was an Irish novelist, playwright, short story writer, theatre director, poet and literary translator also. He wrote in both French and English. He has exerted great influence on poets such as Derek Mahon, Catherine Walsh, and Harold Pinter. Next, who directed the 1964 revival of The Birthday Party? Doris Hare, Newton Blick, Harold Pinter. So correct answer, Harold Pinter. In 1964, The Birthday Party was revived both on television, with Pinter himself in the role of Goldberg, and on stage also. Next, setting of the play: The Birthday Party. A room in a large house, English boarding house, a house in West London. So correct answer, English boarding house. The birthday party begins in the living room of an English seaside boarding house in the 1950s. There is a door leading to a hall On the left, a hatch or an interior window opens to a kitchen in the back of the room. Table and chairs are situated in the foreground. Next, what was Pinter's pseudonym as an actor? Michael Bannon, James Brynum, David Barron. So correct answer, David Barron. From 1954 until 1959, Pinter acted under the stage name David Barron. In all, Pinter played over 20 roles under that name. 1950, his poetry was first published outside the school magazine in Poetry London, some of it under the pseudonym Harold Pinter. Next, where do Pinter's plays generally take place? In an unnamed land, in a castle, a single room. Answer, in a single room. Pinter's mostly plays take place in a single room. Next, who coined the term comedy of menace? Pinter, David Campton, Samuel Beckett. So correct answer, David Campton. Comedy of Menace is the body of the plays written by David Campton, Nigel Dennis, Neb Simpson, and Harold Pinter. The term was coined by drama critic Irving Waddell, who borrowed it from the subtitle of Campton's play, The Lunatic View, a comedy of menace. Next, who coined the term theatre of absurd? Martin Aslin, John Osborne, Albert Camus. Correct answer, Martin Aslin. Martin Aslin was a critic who coined the term in his 1960 essay, The Theatre of the Absurd. He grouped these plays around the broad theme of the absurd. Next, the term comedy of menace is associated with the early plays of which of the following? David Hare, Harold Pinter, John Arden. Answer, Harold Pinter. Comedy of Menace by Irving Waddell, first time coined by David Campton in name of his play. Theatre of Absurd by Martin Aslin. Next, which is the correct sequence of the publication of Pinter's plays? The Room, One for the Road, No Man's Land, The Homecoming, Homecoming, No Man's Land, The Room, One for the Road, and the last is Room, The Homecoming, No Man's Land, One for the Road. So correct sequence of the plays: The Room, The Homecoming, No Man's Land, One for the Road. Last option. So Room coming in 1957, Homecoming published 1964, No Man's Land published during 1975, and One for the Road 1984. Next, who said to whom these words? You are a bit of a washout, aren't you? Lulu to Stanley, Meg to Stanley, Stanley to Lulu, and Meg to Lulu. Your correct answer is Lulu to Stanley in the birthday party on page number 36. Next, shall I put it around my neck? Who said this to whom? Meg to Lulu, Stanley to Meg, Stanley to Lulu, Meg to Lulu. Correct answer, Stanley to Meg in also birthday party on page number 46. You make too much noise. Who said this? Davis, Aston, Mick. Aston asked this. What is the study of? Here we design a 2 questions related linguistic portion. So what is the study of language called? Phonetics, semantics, syntax, and linguistics. So correct answer is linguistics. Linguistics is the study of language. So phonetics is the study of sound of. Semantic is the study of meanings. Syntax is the study of sentence structure. Next, what is defined as the study of sentence structure? Morphology, semantics, phonology, syntax. So correct answer is syntax. Syntax is the study of sentence structure. Now we move on to next part, revision. So let's start. Where in London was Pinter born? Hackney. Next, Pinter's first produced effort as a playwright was entitled The Room. Next, in which film did Pinter appear as an actor? Mansfield Park. Next, which play do we find the protagonist awakening from a 29-year sleeping sickness? A Kind of Alaska. Next, in The Caretaker, who is asked to be a caretaker? Davis. Next, in which play do Aston Davis and Mick appears as characters? Harold Pinter's Caretaker. Next, in The Birthday Party, what is Mac's birthday present to Stanley? It's a toy drum. Next, Harold Pinter is heavily influenced by which Irish playwright? Samuel Beckett. Next, who directed the 1964 revival of The Birthday Party? It's Harold Pinter. Next, what is the setting of the play, The Birthday Party? It's an English boarding house. Next, what was Pinter's pseudonym as an actor? David Perron. Next, where do Pinter's plays generally take place? In a single room. Next, who coined the term comedy of menace? David Campbell. Next, who coined the term theatre of absurd? Martin Aslin. Next, the term comedy of menace is associated with early plays of Harold Pinter. Next, the correct sequence of the publication of Pinter's plays: The Room 1957, The Homecoming 1964, No Man's Land 1975, One for the Road 1984. Next, you are a bit of washout, aren't you? Lulu said to Stanley. Next, shall I put it around my neck? Stanley said to Meg. Next, you make too much noise, Aston said to Davis. What is the study of languages called? It's linguistics. Next, what is defined as a study of sentence structure? It's syntax. Now move on to next part. It's a quiz session. So answer of these questions in a comment box below. First question is here. In The Caretaker, who is asked to be a caretaker? Next, Harold Pinter is heavily influenced by which Irish playwright? Next question, what is setting of the play The Birthday Party? Next, in The Birthday Party, what is Mac's birthday present to Stanley? Next, who is coined the term theatre of absurd?
I hope you learned some important fact related to Harold Pinter. If you want to get for daily update, then you can subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, okay, bye.